In 1970, Soviet scientists began drilling a hole into the Earth, deeper than anyone had ever gone before. Their goal was simple: reach the deepest layers of our planet. But what they discovered along the way surprised scientists around the world. The project was called the Kola Super Deep Borehole. It was located in northern Russia, near the border of Norway. Scientists wanted to drill deep into the Earth's crust to study what lies beneath our feet and to know how our planet was formed. When the project began in 1970, researchers had an ambitious goal. Their ultimate target was the boundary between Earth's crust and mantle, known as the Mohorovičić discontinuity. Reaching this layer could reveal how the Earth formed billions of years ago. But the deeper they drilled, the more difficult the conditions became. Extreme heat, enormous pressure, and unstable rock formations slowed progress dramatically. By 1989, the drill had reached a depth of 12,262 meters. That's over 12 kilometers deep. To understand how deep that is, if you dropped Mount Everest into the hole, the peak would still be more than 3 kilometers below the surface. Surprisingly, the borehole itself is not very wide. Many people imagine a massive tunnel descending into the Earth, but the hole is only about 23 centimeters across, roughly the size of a dinner plate. It's not a tunnel humans could enter. As the drill went deeper, scientists began making unexpected discoveries. Nearly 6 kilometers below the surface, researchers found microscopic fossils of ancient life. These fossils were more than 2 billion years old. Even more surprising was the discovery of water deep underground. Before the drilling project, scientists believed water could not exist that far beneath the Earth's surface. But the borehole proved them wrong. Researchers believed the water was trapped inside minerals within the rock, and under extreme heat and pressure, the minerals slowly released it. Then came another major surprise: the temperature. Scientists originally expected temperatures around 100 degrees Celsius, but instead, they measured nearly 180 degrees Celsius, hot enough to damage drilling equipment. At these temperatures, rock begins to behave almost like plastic, which made drilling even deeper nearly impossible. At the deepest levels, scientists also discovered rocks that were almost 2.7 billion years old. These rocks formed when Earth was still a very young planet. Studying them helped researchers better understand the early history of our planet's crust. In the 1990s, a strange rumor began spreading around the world. Some stories claimed that scientists lowered a microphone into the borehole and heard terrifying human screams. The story became known as the well-to-hell legend. But scientists later confirmed that this story was completely false and no such recording was ever made. The rumor was likely created by radio shows. Eventually, the extreme temperatures and pressure forced the project to stop, and the drilling officially ended in 1992. The borehole was sealed with a metal cap, and the research site was abandoned. Even today, the Kola Super Deep Borehole remains the deepest hole humans have ever drilled. To put that into perspective, the Earth's radius is about 6,371 kilometers, which means the deepest hole we have ever drilled barely scratches the surface of our planet. Most of what lies beneath our feet remains completely unknown, and the deeper we try to explore, the more mysterious our planet becomes. This is the Thinking Ape. See you soon.
For more such content, hit subscribe. Also, don't forget to like and share. See you soon.